In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or add a comment in Notion. We'll start from the very beginning and walk through adding comments in different places, then finish by removing a comment when you no longer need it. First, open your browser and head to Notion.com. Click Login. In this walkthrough, we'll use Google to sign in, so choose the Google option and select your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. Next, open the database where you want to add or remove a comment. This could be a projects table, a tasks board, or any database view in your workspace. If you simply want to leave a quick note without opening a specific item, look for the Add Comment option in the database view and click it. Type your message in the field that appears, then post it. Keep your comment specific and actionable. Short context up front helps others quickly understand what you're referring to. If your note belongs on a particular task, click that task in the database to select it. Then right-click to open the context menu and choose Comment. A comment box will appear so you can type and submit your message directly on that task. This is great for keeping discussion tied to the exact item you're updating. For a more comfortable workspace, open the task in a side peek. This shows the page content and the entire comment thread along the side, making it easy to add multiple messages and review the conversation without losing your place in the database. It's a convenient view for quick back and forth or when you're triaging several tasks in a row. Now let's remove a comment you no longer need. In the side peek or on the task page, find the specific comment you want to delete. On the right side of that comment, click the three dots to open the More Actions menu. Choose Delete. A confirmation will appear. Click Delete again to finalize. The comment is now removed from the thread. A few practical tips as you work. Make sure you have permission to comment or delete in that workspace or database. If you don't see the option, your access might be limited. Keep comments focused on a single topic to make threads easy to scan later. And when you're collaborating, adding brief context like a date or a reference to the task field you're discussing helps teammates respond faster. That's the full workflow. Log in, add a general comment, add a task-specific comment, use SidePeek to manage the thread, and delete a comment when it's no longer relevant. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.